Hello and welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea. Today I have an open collaboration Christmas angel. I'll talk to you about that a little later. But now let me show you how I created my first angel. I got these gem stickers from Dollar Tree. I am going to be placing them right below this bottle, in the bottom portion I should say. And all my items, or most of my items today, will be from the Dollar Tree. And this ornament I am in love with. Look at how gorgeous these wings. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and put plenty of hot glue on this little corner. And this was not my original idea. I saw this in Pinterest. So I'm going to go ahead and put more hot glue right in this little corner because this is what's going to be touching the bottle just like this. And look at how simple yet so gorgeous. This is amazing. I'm going to add a little bit more hot glue just to make sure that this does not fall. And now with this little wire, I'm using anything that you can use to create the halo. Just go ahead and grab it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess off, and with more hot glue I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right on the top of the bottle. And this is going to be the halo like I said before. And just remember that you can use any other permanent glue that you desire, but I am using hot glue only because I'm going to be repurposing these bottles after the holiday is over. And now again with some hot glue, I'm going to be placing just a dab of glue because I don't want it to look sloppy, and I will be placing it right here, and it's starting to look absolutely gorgeous. And here it is. Isn't it beautiful? I'm gonna be showing you the final review at the end of the video. But for now, let's go ahead and continue with our second angel. I'm gonna do almost the same process, but in this case, I am going to be using the pink rhinestone stickers with the pink bottle. And today is an open collaboration. It is being hosted by DIY with Aurea. That would be me along with LoliDs Creations. And our co-host is Amanda, 6 Kids in a Glue Gun. I'll be leaving the links down in the description box directly to their channels along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit these talented creators and give them lots of love. And this is the way the second angel turned out. I am liking it. In this case, of course, it is pink. Let me know if you prefer the white or the pink. So now for the third angel, I have this wine bottle. This was gifted to me many years ago. I've never used it, but now let's go ahead and put it to use. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this label out of here. And then once that is done, we'll proceed to create the third angel. And as you can tell, these are going to be the wings that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to go ahead and take them apart from the middle section. I'll put that to the side. I might be able to use it in a future video, not sure. But we'll just put it to the side for now. I'm going to come in with some hot glue and start gluing them the same way as the other 2 bottles. But in this case, of course, I am going to be gluing them individually. And in the bottom of the wing, it has a longer section that's attached to, of course, the wing. And I just went on and I folded backwards just to make sure that it doesn't really look like a butterfly wing. Gotta find some yellow rhinestones. I have this big scrapbook and here it is. I found it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take them, place them right on the bottom part of the bottle. This is my absolute favorite. Oh my god, I love this bottle. I wish I had another one. This is so cute. Leave it in the comment section. Isn't this cute? Am I the only one feeling like this right now? Also want to remind you that this collaboration is all about making Christmas angels, and this collaboration takes place every third Saturday of each month at 5 o'clock Central Standard Time, and it is being hosted by myself, Ray, One Way Designs 238, and LoliDs Creation. We also have a co-host every month, and every month is a different theme. And like I said before, this month's co-host is Amanda Six Kiss and a Glue Gun. Make sure to visit these talented creators as soon as you are done with this video. Jump over to the playlist down below. Look at how beautiful this looks. Oh my god, it's turning out so beautiful. And I'm gonna go ahead and fix the the wings because it got all bent while I was putting the rhinestones on there, and then the halo. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of fix this halo to size to go ahead and fit back there. And then with, again, hot glue, I'll be putting it, or placing it I should say, right back here with some hot glue. I'm gonna go ahead and add more hot glue and glue it right to the supposedly head, which is the lid. Yes, because this is much heavier, and I am going to add more glue. And this is the way it turned out. Again, I will show you the final review in just a second, but let's go ahead and move on with our fourth angel. This one is a floral vase, and yes, it is from Dollar Tree. Like I said before, most of these items are from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be taking these rhinestones. These are a bit different, and I am going to be placing it all the way in the bottom, and one strip was just enough for the entire bottle, or the bottom part of this bottle. Look at how beautiful. I didn't have to cut or nothing. I love those rhinestones. Those are unique. So all I'm doing is adding again another one of these ornaments with plenty of hot glue. I'll be gluing it right on the bottom, just like the bottle I should say. Oh my god. Yeah, just like I did with all the other ones. And there goes Diva, my little baby. She is so wonderful. I love this little girl. Okay, so here we are. We're placing it right here. This is going to turn out beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more hot glue back here so it won't go anywhere. I want to make sure that it doesn't fall. And now for the head, I have this ornament. I'm going to be removing this little part right here. And once it's removed, all I'm going to do is come in with some hot glue and glue it on the vase. Okay guys, so now that that is done, I'm going to be creating the halo. So I took this little pearl necklace and I am gluing it with some hot glue, both corners. And then this, I'm going to put it right on top of the ornament, creating a pearl halo for this beautiful little angel. Of course, I'm going to be tucking it in with some hot glue. And of course, we're going to put this angel to the side, and I will be showing it to you in the final reveal. And with this bell, Christmas bell, I'm going to be removing this bottom part from here. I'm going to be creating another angel. I've seen something like this in many channels. I'm not sure who the original creator was, but that is exactly what I'm going to be creating, an angel. I'm going to go ahead and sand this little part here just to make sure that it's not uneven. And once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and start taking all these embellishments off of here. And then I'll go ahead and proceed to paint it with this metallic gold paint. I'm going to paint first this ornament because this is going to be the head. I'll give it one coat, and with the same metallic gold paint, I will be painting the upper portion of the bell. Once this is all completed and dry, I'm going to proceed to make I'm going to make with 2 different ribbons, I'm going to be making a bow. So all I'm doing here is creating the wings. So with hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and glue the wings right here, which of course is 3 different bows all scrunched up together. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put them right here with plenty of hot glue. We wanna make sure that this doesn't move. And with this glittery ribbon is self-adhesive, I'm gonna cut a piece and I'll be putting it between the bow. Okay, so now this is all put together. So now for the ornament, I have this little wood dowel. I'm going to be placing it right here. I want to make sure that I have something to glue it on the back of the bell, and I'm going to go ahead and secure it with some hot glue. I'm also going to be cutting the wood dowel just a bit because I feel that it is just a bit too long, and I'll be using these little nail cutters. This is made for pets. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and use plenty of hot glue, and this is gonna go behind here right by the bow. And as you can see, that would be the angel's head. I'm also gonna be creating the halo with this little piece of metal ribbon. You can also find this at the dollar store. And I'm also going to be using these little gemstones from Dollar Tree, of course, and I'm going to go ahead and place them right here. I want to express my deep gratitude to all my subscribers for sticking around until the end of the video. Without your support, I would not be here. If you are new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. It's completely free. Don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you won't miss on any uploads. Thank you once again, and I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video.